Hi guys, so here I am with what is probably my last luxury diva. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. And it's a happy place usually, well not so much today. Anyway, I do lots of unboxings and hauls and just bits and pieces. So if you think you might have fun here, then please do click subscribe, give me a thumbs up for the video and leave me a comment. As a lot of you will know, I love Luxury Diva. This is only my third box. I think it's gonna have to be my last one, guys, because it's just so expensive. Now, it's not the actual box. I mean, the box is £30 a month if you live in America, in the US. But for us over here, it's £30 and then it's £24.95 in shipping, which makes it £55, which is really pushing it a bit. But just lately, I've started getting hit with customs charges, or brokerage charges they called it, because it was UPS. And they've actually charged me another £21.25. So the box is working out at about, what is that, £80? I mean, there's no way it's worth £80. So much as I love it, it's my very last one. Let's hope it's a good one, hey? I was always pushing it a bit, having it, but I didn't think I'd get hit quite that hard. Hello Fawn, I want to let you know that we swapped out your necklace for a different style. I don't know why. I hope you have everything in October's box. Enjoy, beautiful, love, Marina. Thank you, Marina. I don't know why you swapped a necklace because I didn't know there was anything wrong with the necklace, but it'll be my last one. And I've got a bag of candy. American candy. Look, with all Halloween pumpkins on it. Let's have a look. Ooh, let's have a look. What's that? A Tootsie Pop? I've got, oh, this is almost more exciting than the box. Bottle caps. Oh, Reese's, I've heard of Reese's. Hershey's cookie and cream. What else have we got? A Whopper. Some sort of lolly called a, oh, what is that lolly? A Dum Dum? Would it be a lolly called a Dum Dum? I don't know. Come on, what else is in here? Oh, a Rolo, which we have over here anyway, and a big, is it a gobstopper that we call it? A lemon head. I'm going to try those later. Right, anyway, getting back onto the serious stuff. So that was on the top. Then we get the sheet, which tells us that the contents are worth $107, which I've probably paid, if not a bit more. So there's no savings for me in this. So, I don't know. I've got to be sensible at the end of the day. And these customs charges are just not funny. Oh, it's so beautiful, look. Look, it's all beautifully packed. So I'll start with the Complete Cleansing by the Creme Shop. Complete Cleansing, pre-wet towelettes. Goodbye oil, dirt, waterproof and makeup, and they're in a charcoal. I was going to say flavour, it's not flavour, you're not putting it in your mouth, are you? But a charcoal stuff. So they're supposed to deep clean, brighten and hydrate your skin, and they are worth $11. Can't go wrong with some wet wipes, really, can you? Then a necklace. Okay, so yes, I have a different one to what's the picture on here. So I have got this one, which is really nice actually. Let me just open it up to have a look. I was trying something on earlier today and was thinking I needed a new or another long line necklace. So let's have a look. Oh, that is nice, look. It's tortoiseshell and gold. So you've got a tortoiseshell sort of stick and a gold disc. I'm hoping you can see what I'm doing. A tortoiseshell disc, my big fat hands, and a gold ring. Let's just, I'll pop it on. Always like a bit of jewellery, me. So, I'm sure I would go that way, I think. I don't think it really matters over much, but if I pull it up, Oh, that's pretty, that. Yes, that would hang beautifully. And I do like gold because particularly this time of the year, we wear very dark colours and I think gold is quite warming over the top, you know, brightens things up. And that, what does it say about it? Obviously, as I say, it's a different one to what's on the sheet, but it says it's worth $19. So I'm happy. Then I've got some socks, pink and white ribbon cancer awareness crew socks. Well, it's great, isn't it? I think October, isn't October cancer awareness or breast cancer awareness month? I'm not sure, but very happy to have them. These are worth $12. Proudly display your love with our new comfy pair of crew socks. So I will. Then I have some leggings, I think. Are these leggings? Goodness me. They're fleecy-lined leggings, ladies. Oh my goodness, they don't look very big, do they? The size of my bum, but I suppose they've got a lot of stretch on them. They're red. I quite like those. I don't know. Yeah, fleece-lined leggings. Seamless fleece. Well, there is a seam on the inside, so I don't know why they say seamless. There is a seam. Fleece-lined leggings. Perfect for fall and winter. Well, they do look small. If they are too small for me, I know who'll be glad of them. My mother. She does feel the cold, so yeah, fleecy lines and red. How cheerful are they? And they are valued at $20. And then this box is clothing heavy. And then there is a, oh, I'm going to take my glasses off, a beanie hat. Grey, is that showing? Grey and black stripes. Do you know, I don't know that I've ever worn a beanie hat. Let's have a go. I'm not sure that beanie hats suit me, but let's have a go. How do I look? Well, it doesn't do much for the hair, but the hair is, you know, not doing very well itself anyway. I like it. Yes, I could see myself pulling it on when I'm going to sort the horses or something. Yeah, that's okay. And that is $19. It does say on here that it was available in other colours. It doesn't say what colours, but the picture has got it in black and green. But mine's black and grey, so it's nice and neutral. It'll go with everything. And yes, $19. It's nice and soft. Wear rolled or folded as a skull cap. Rolled or folded? Or in the trendy slouchy beanie style. Let's try slouchy beanie, shall we? I'm presuming, oh gosh, let's stay with me now. I'm presuming that just means putting it on and not folding it, so it's sort of, oh yes, it sort of bongs behind you. Not sure that I like the slouchy beanie style. Gosh, now I'm really in a mess, look at me. But I like it. And then last but not least, I believe, is that right, that it's the last thing? Yes, there is a jumper. A navy blue long sleeve V-neck top. It could have come in navy blue or burgundy. It's got a sheer trim and a T-shaped strap. Oh, I see. Yes, it has indeed got a T-shaped strap. Oh, that could be really pretty on, actually. And you know I like dark colours. I mean, this is navy blue, but it's about as dark a navy blue as you're going to get. Lovely and soft, nice and long, and it looks as though it might fit me. I expect it'll be a cling city, but it'll be a good layering piece, and it is, again, beautifully soft. That's one thing about Luxe Divas. The stuff is so soft. So that's it. That's my last one. And I'm happy with the box, I really am. And if it didn't cost quite so much, I'd go on having it. But how I'm getting hit for customs so hard, I really don't know. This is the second time. Last time it cost me, I think it was £11. I think it was £11. And I wasn't best pleased about that. But you know, £21.25 on top of 25 postage and £30 for the actual box has just made it not tenable really for me. But it's such a shame because I really do like the things they send. See the mesh on the back of there? And it was just my little slice of something different. Anyway, that got gloomy, didn't it? I promise I'm not gloomy in everything. I'm just a bit sad. And I will go away now, sit in a seat, have a little sulk, and have a go at some of those weird and wonderful American candies. Okay, guys. See you soon. Bye.